Well, good morning. It is early Saturday morning. I'd say about 6:15. And I am on the North Loop Trail in Mount Charleston, right outside of Las Vegas. This trail takes you up to Raintree or Griffith Peak, which is my destination today. It's been monsoon rain all week, and the ground is really wet. Not muddy, which is good because this is a notoriously dusty trail. So it's going to be nice and damp on my way up. And I started early because it's going to be 108, maybe 110 down in Las Vegas today, which means it'll be topping out at close to 80 up here. I don't like hiking in such hot weather. So hopefully the sky will stay blue. They say there will be no monsoons today, but yeah, I take that with a grain of salt. Mother Nature will do whatever she wants. And since I plan on being close to 10,300 or 10,500 feet today, I don't want to take a chance. Oh, it's beautiful. I needed this. The birds are out. I haven't seen any deer yet. I think I'm the first person on the trail. Though I think I saw a vehicle at the trailhead, which means somebody backpacked up here and spent the night. This is a really great hike to train for backpacking trips. The trees here are gloriously beautiful. To think they're right outside Las Vegas and the desert at 8,000 feet. There's so much beauty. Maybe I'll catch some wild horses. Who knows? Who knows? Alright, when I get to the midpoint, I'll do another clip. Alright, I'm on my way down from Fletcher Peak. It's right up there. And when I started this morning, there were no clouds in the sky. And now there's some big dark clouds over me. That's alright. I have a wind jacket, which is water repellent, and that should keep me sufficiently warm so I don't at least get any hypothermia. If it does rain, I'm off the peak, so I'm not worried about any lightning. The trail is easy to lose. I'm wondering if I'm not off the trail already. Well, this looks like a trail right here. This trail doesn't get the same use as the North Loop to Raintree, so it's easy to lose your way. And I'm in a beautiful bristlecone forest. These bristlecones are very old, some thousands of years old. And limestone and bristlecone. And and it's almost an eerie, spooky forest today. Nobody up here. Cloudy, which is wonderful because the last thing I want to do is hike in the sun and the heat. So at least it's not very, very warm. Matter of fact, I think it's still 70 degrees, maybe 73, which is amazing on a hot summer day down in Vegas. Vegas is probably about going to be 108 today. Nice time to escape to the mountains. I've already done 2,100 feet of elevation gain per my GPS. And there's still a lot of uphill to go. Matter of fact, right before this trail links up with the North Loop, there's a lot of steep trail. What's amazing about these bristlecones is their gnarled roots. That means that this tree, before it fell, was here for a very long time. They're beautiful. Some people drive all the way to California, to the White Mountains, to the ancient bristlecone forest, just to see this beauty. And this is 20 minutes from my home. Amazing. Simply amazing. All you have to do is sweat buckets, walk about 4 miles, go up 2,100 feet, and enjoy this. There's a trail cairn marking the trail. Yes, that is my YouTube name. YouTube channel, Trail Cairn. My trail name is Turtle. I am really slow. I don't stop. I'm just very slow. Sometimes I catch up with the fast people because they slow down and stop because they're very winded. I just take my time. There's a lot of wildflowers out. Yellow, red, purple. Look at all that limestone. Wow, these trees are majestic. Oh, amazing. All right, down we go. And this trail is pretty steep. All right, I'm gonna stop and trace my way down real carefully. Whew, that burns. This is the last steep uphill. Once you leave Raintree and once the Fletcher Peak trail meets up with the North Loop Trail. Sorry about the heavy breathing. Yeah, I'm only hiking at 10,000 feet. Whew. Oh, the wildflowers. And this is another bristlecone forest. Yeah. It's really cloudy. But that's good. It's keeping it nice and cool today. Humidity's still about, I'd say 60 or 70%. So I'm sweating. Whew. Good thing I brought almost 4 liters of water. I believe I will have drank most of it on this hike. Look at that little baby bristlecone, how beautiful. Ah, it is gorgeous out here. There's where I came from, Fletcher Peak. All right. Let's get this section done and then it's all downhill. So, again, that's Fletcher Peak. And this is the incredible bristlecone forest that I'm hiking through today. It's beautiful. It's like you feel like you're in Alice in Wonderland. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Pretty incredible. I was all the way up there. That's pretty steep. And that's a big, big limestone. That's pretty much all limestone up there. Peak. Yeah, that cloud's getting real big. Try to get off this mountain. I'm amazed I still see people coming up. Even though that cloud is low enough, it feels like you can touch it. Yeah. This is so beautiful. If you're watching this and you either live in Vegas or you're planning on visiting, come up to Mount Charleston and recreate up here. Do the North Loop Trail starting from Deer Springs Road. Trailhead. There's a couple of trailheads. And you will not regret it. It is a difficult hike, especially if you're coming up from elevation of 2,000 to 3,000 feet. But it's so worth it. The payoff is incredible. Incredible. So this is the last uphill section. And yeah, just like all of them, they're not easy. Look at that beautiful old giant bristlecone. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her. Wow. I'm surrounded by incredible, gorgeous trees, views. There's still snow on the other side of the canyon in Cow Canyon. Wow, that means the falls are still running. Probably Mary Jane Falls and Big Falls probably have plenty of water on them. And that's unheard of in July. This was a very high snow year. Wow. Look at him. Well, really, I like to call them hers. Female trees, because they're just incredible. They're everywhere. Look at all the flowers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think that's sage, mountain sage. And these grow really small, bristlecones. And you need to use your inside voice when you see them, because they're so amazing. All right, look at this one. It's all gnarled up from the slow growth and the winds up here. When the winds blow, they're pretty strong. Beautiful, beautiful. Try not to step on her roots, because she needs all the help she can get growing out here in the desert. Incredible. And all I've seen today are a lot of birds and Charleston chipmunks.